Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I'm gonna give myself a little bit of a job, since I'm gonna do something that we never did before. We're gonna put some holes in the deep of a cup, you know what I mean? So we're gonna take a cup like this one, we're gonna make some holes, and we're gonna pour some acrylic, dirty pouring we're gonna do on it. You're gonna say, I'm gonna give, like I said, I'm gonna work at it a little bit, because I'm gonna glue a small cup like this to a bigger one, which is gonna be the one that we're gonna pour our acrylic in. So we're gonna use acrylic and water like always, but this time we're gonna use a little bit of white glue, because this time I want to make a little bit of cells. So anyway, we're gonna see what happens. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go.
One, two, three.
Well guys, I hope you're gonna agree with me. The finish is great. I say a lot, I think in the last few paint that we did, I often say that the finish is a softer finish. Well, this time it's no exception. The finish is very soft, as you might see. I like the fact that there's a bit more of a color almost in the middle. I think it gives it more deepness, more refined line all the way around it. I think it's a nice technique. You don't have to go overboard like I did to glue one cup over the other. You can just put right on the canvas. You can put a cup with the holes in it, and it's going to do the job. Not exactly the same, but I wanted to try it this way, and I think the result is great. Like always, it's always subjective, but I think the result is great. I think, like I said, it's very soft. We have very defined line. We have a few cells, but it's like we did 2 or 3 techniques on the same canvas. So that's what's interesting about it. So, well, I hope you like it, guys. And like always, please don't forget to subscribe. It's very important for us. Between here and the end of the summer, we hope to reach 10,000 subscribers. That would be nice, and again, it gives us more credibility through YouTube, and also it gives us more drive to continue and give you and sharing some products with you. So guys, like always, thanks for being here. I hope you're gonna come back, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.